Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all our listeners. I am Alex. It is so great to be here with you today.
How are you today, Alex?
I am very good, thank you. I am happy. And you, Emma?
I am doing great. I have my lemon tea, and I am ready to talk.
Me too. So, Emma, what is our topic today?
Today, we are going to talk about our daily routine, but we will do something special. We will talk about the past.
The past? That is a great idea. We can practice past tense verbs, words like woke up, ate, and went.
Exactly. So we will use yesterday as an example. Yesterday was Sunday. We will talk about our full day yesterday, from the morning to the night.
This is perfect for English learners. We will use simple words to describe a real day.
Yes. So, Alex, are you ready to talk about yesterday morning?
Yes, let's start.
Okay. We know that I am an early bird and you are a night owl. On a normal workday, I wake up at 6 a.m., but yesterday was Sunday. Did you wake up early, Alex?
No, yesterday was Sunday, so I slept for a long time. I woke up at 9:30 a.m. I was very tired.
9:30 a.m. That is very nice. Did you get out of bed quickly?
No, I stayed in bed for 20 minutes. I looked at my phone, I read some messages from my friends, then I finally got out of bed. What about you, Emma? What time did you wake up yesterday?
I am an early bird, even on Sunday. I woke up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, 6:30 a.m. on a Sunday? That is too early for me. What did you do?
First, I opened the window. The weather yesterday was beautiful. It was sunny and warm. Then I drank a big glass of hot lemon water.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, of course. I went to the kitchen and I made a hot oat coffee latte. I sat in my living room. My cat, Luna, sat next to me. I drank my latte and I read a book. It was very quiet.
That sounds very peaceful. My morning was a little faster. After I got out of bed, I took a warm shower. I washed my face and brushed my teeth. Then I went to the kitchen because I was very hungry.
So, what did you eat for breakfast?
Ooh, I ate a huge breakfast. I cooked 2 eggs, 4 bacons, and 3 pieces of toast with lots of butter. And I drank a big cup of black coffee with it as well.
That sounds like a delicious breakfast.
It was so yummy. What did you eat for breakfast, Emma? Did you eat your normal healthy oatmeal?
No, not yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, so I cooked something special. I made pancakes.
Oh, I love pancakes. Did you put fruit on them?
Yes, I put fresh strawberries and bananas on my pancakes, and a little bit of sweet syrup. They were very yummy.
Now I am hungry. So after breakfast, the morning was over. What did you do yesterday afternoon, Emma? Did you work?
In the afternoon, I went out.
Oh, cool. Where did you go?
I went to the big park near my house. I walked for 1 hour. The trees were very green and the sky was very blue. I saw many families and children in the park.
Oh yeah, the weather was amazing yesterday. Did you walk alone?
No, I walked with my friend Sarah. We talked and laughed a lot. After our walk, we were hungry, so we ate lunch at a small cafe.
Ah, that sounds like a perfect afternoon. What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a chicken sandwich and a small salad, and I drank an iced tea. It was very refreshing. What about you, Alex? What did you do yesterday afternoon?
Well, I stayed home in the early afternoon. I cleaned my apartment. I washed my clothes and swept the floor.
Oh, doing chores is so boring. But it is very important to have a clean house.
Yes, it is. I feel better when my apartment is clean. But after my chores, I had fun. I played with my dog, Max.
Aw, Max. How is he?
He is great. Yesterday, he was very energetic. So at 2 p.m., I took him to the dog park. I threw a yellow ball and Max ran very fast to catch it.
Dogs love playing with balls. Did he meet other dogs?
Yes, he played with a big black dog. They ran together for a long time. Max was very happy, but he was also very tired after that.
So, what did you do after the park?
We walked home. Max drank a lot of water from his bowl and went to sleep on his bed. Then I turned on my computer. I played video games with my brother online for 2 hours.
That sounds like a very fun and relaxing Sunday afternoon for you.
It really was. I love playing games. Then the sun went down. It was evening time, around 6 p.m.
Yes, the evening. This is usually the time we eat. Did you cook dinner yesterday, Alex?
Oh, Emma, you know me. No, I did not cook yesterday. I was feeling a little lazy, so I ordered food.
I am not surprised. What did you order?
I ordered a large pizza, half pepperoni and half extra cheese. The delivery man brought it right to my door. It was delicious.
Pizza is the perfect food for a lazy Sunday evening. Did you eat the whole pizza?
No. I saved 2 slices for lunch today. What did you do yesterday evening, Emma? Did you order food too?
No, I really like cooking, so I cooked my own dinner. I went to the supermarket at 5 p.m. and I bought some fresh tomatoes and vegetables.
Great. What did you cook?
I cooked pasta with a rich tomato sauce, onions, and garlic. It smelled so good in my kitchen while I was cooking.
You are a very good cook, Emma. I really want to try your pasta one day.
You are always welcome to come over for dinner, Alex. Just tell me when and I will cook for you.
I'd love that. Thank you. I will bring the drinks. So after you ate your delicious pasta, what did you do?
Okay, first I cleaned the kitchen table and washed my dishes. I like a clean kitchen. Then I had a very quiet evening. I sat on my comfortable sofa, I listened to some soft music, and I painted a picture.
Oh, yeah, that is right. You love to paint. It is your favorite hobby. What did you paint yesterday?
Well, I painted a picture of a large tree with many colorful flowers. Painting makes me feel very calm and happy.
That's so cool. It sounds so relaxing.
Yes, I was very relaxed. What did you do after your pizza, Alex?
Oh, I sat on my sofa, turned on my television, and watched a movie.
Wonderful. What kind of movie did you watch? Was it an action movie?
No, it was a very funny comedy movie. I laughed out loud many times. Max woke up and looked at me because I was laughing so loud.
That is so funny. Poor Max was trying to sleep. Laughing is a great way to end the weekend, though.
Yeah, it really is. After the movie finished, it was late. It was time for the night routine.
Yeah, the night. Yesterday was Sunday, so we had to get ready for Monday. Work on Monday is always busy.
Yeah, same. What time did you go to bed yesterday, Emma?
Because I woke up very early, I was very tired. At 9:30 p.m., I went to the bathroom, I washed my face with warm water and soap. I brushed my teeth. Then I put on my favorite soft pajamas.
Ah, I love pajamas. Did you go to sleep immediately?
No, I got into my bed and I read a book for 30 minutes. Reading makes me sleepy. At exactly 10 p.m., I turned off the lamp next to my bed. I closed my eyes and I slept very well all night.
10 p.m. That is early, but it is very healthy. You got a lot of sleep for Monday.
Yes, I need 8 hours of sleep to feel good and happy at work. What about you, Alex? What time did you go to sleep yesterday?
Well, I watched some funny videos on my phone after the movie. Then I looked at the clock. I realized it was very late. It was 12:30 p.m.
12:30 p.m.? Alex, you had work the next day.
I know. I had to hurry. I went to the bathroom, washed my face, and brushed my teeth quickly. I put on my pajamas. I finally got into bed after 1 a.m.
Wow, 1 a.m. Were you tired this morning when you woke up?
A little bit, yes. I woke up at 7:30 a.m. today to get ready for work, so I slept for 7.5 hours. Not too bad. I feel okay now. The coffee really saved me.
Oh, yeah. Coffee always helps on a Monday morning.
Yes, totally. Well, that was our full day yesterday, from waking up in the morning to going to sleep at night.
We used a lot of past tense verbs today. Words like woke up, ate, drank, walked, played, and watched.
I hope our listeners learned a lot from this fun conversation.
I'm sure they did. It is very good practice to talk about yesterday. Okay, listeners, before we finish, it is time for our shadowing practice.
Yes, to speak English fluently, you must train your mouth muscles. Emma will say a simple sentence about what we did yesterday. There will be 4 seconds of silence. In the silence, you must repeat the sentence out loud.
Don't just think the words. Copy my voice and practice the past tense. Say them out loud. Ready? Okay, let's go.
Yesterday, I woke up at 9 o'clock. I drank a cup of coffee with milk. I went to the park with my dog. I ate a chicken sandwich for lunch. In the evening, I watched a funny movie. I brushed my teeth and went to bed.
Fantastic job. If you want to practice again, just rewind the video. The more you shadow, the better your pronunciation will be. You are doing amazing.
Now it is time for our question of the day.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Today we talked about our day yesterday. Now it is your turn to practice your English.
The question is, what did you do yesterday?
Yes, start with the time you woke up. Then tell us what you ate. Did you go to work or did you have some free time to relax?
Please write your answer in the comments below. Use simple English and practice your past tense verbs. We really want to read your sentences.
You can write something simple like, yesterday I woke up at 8 a.m. or yesterday I ate pizza. Just try. Don't be shy.
Yes, practicing is the absolute best way to learn a language. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Chats today. We love chatting with you.
If you liked this episode and learned something new, please subscribe to our channel.
And please hit the like button. Share this podcast with your friends and family who are also learning English.
We will be back next time with another fun topic. Have a wonderful week, everyone.
Stay safe and keep practicing. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma. Bye, everyone.
See you in the next chat. Bye.